Introducing the 20-bar Espresso machine, your gateway to professional coffee at home. Place the sealed package on a clean, flat surface. Open the box and take out the machine and its accessories. Remove the cleaning needle and cleaning brush from the drip tray compartment. You can see all the accessories. Remove the water tank. Pull out the water tank stopper on the bottom. Cleaning accessories, assembly, water tank. Fill the water tank with water between the minimum and maximum lines. Place a water cup on the brewing head and another under the steam rod. Turn on the machine. The display will show a preheating animation. The machine is ready for brewing. Once the power light and cup indicator stay on, press the double cup button. Water flows through the brew head. Hot water helps remove leftover residue, keeping the head clean. Press the steam button. Once preheating is complete, the power button indicator light stays lit. The steam button indicator light remains on, and all other indicator lights turn off. Set the steam switch to any position. Steam will come out for about 20 seconds once adjusted. Flip the steam switch to the initial position. The machine stops emitting steam. Press the steam button. The machine releases pressure and cools down. Once done, it returns to standby mode. Flip the switch to the hot water position. The machine dispenses hot water from the steam wand, stopping automatically once all hot water is released. Turn the steam switch to initial position. The machine will enter standby mode. Once adjusted, pour out the water in the cup. Wipe the exterior simply with a cloth. The cleaning is complete and the machine can be used normally.